Here's my weekend breakfast that I cooked by myself. First, I'm toasting bagel in the toaster. And now, as you can see, I'm cutting up the bell peppers, which gives an extra flavor that's really nice. The trick is to cut the bell pepper into small pieces to add a little bit of extra flavor that's really nice. After the bell peppers, I go back to spreading cream cheese on the bagel that's now done. It's very easy and I just do it quickly. Next, I'm finally on to the eggs. The eggs, I'm doing sunny side up because I like sunny side up, and that morning I decided I wanted sunny side up. So I cracked the first one really well, and then the second one a little harder, as you're gonna see, but I still crack it pretty well. I love starting my morning off with some really good eggs, either scrambled or sunny side up. I let these eggs sit for a little bit, and then I put salt on it. I like my eggs a little more salty, which is why I added 3 pinches of salt instead of the normal 2 most people do. But yeah, I just like it a little extra salty. After salting the egg, I wait for a little longer for the egg to cook, and then I start putting the pepper. And also with the salt, I like a lot of pepper, so I put a lot. And yep, these eggs turned out pretty nice. As you can see, these are the finished eggs. So now I'm just assembling my plate and putting the bell peppers on the egg.